So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on my Mark II Sierra Sapphire. So it's an E-Reg, which is 1987, and today I'm going to be replacing the shocks and springs because they're getting a bit rusty. I'm also going to be doing a bit of investigating into why I've got a juddering in the steering wheel when I brake. So I'm going to see what needs replacing on that. I'm also just going to have a look around and do any little jobs and see what else needs doing, what else needs ordering. I know I'm going to need some new brake pads and discs soon, so I'll hopefully see what ones I need and get them ordered. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get on with it. Right, so this is my Sierra Sapphire. So we've got a 1.8 litre Pinto rear wheel drive. Got a little bit of rust just coming through on the wheel arches. That's something that I'm going to need to address soon. All the interior is completely original. 58,000 miles. And I believe this car has only had 2 owners before me, one of which being my granddad. So you can see the back wheel arches are starting to get a bit bad. I'm just deciding whether I'm going to need new wheel arches or if I'm just going to tidy these ones up. This wheel arch is getting a bit bad as well. We also have a lovely big dent in the door. We did, it's not quite so bad now. We pulled it out a bit. I'm just waiting on that door to get painted. A new door to get painted. First thing I'm going to do is get the car jacked up and get the wheel off. I'm going to start on the driver's side because that's the worst. And then I'm going to spray the hub with some WD-40 so that the leg comes out a bit easier. To remove the leg, we've actually got to remove the hub as well, so I'm just going to keep soaking that. So for later on, that should make it a little bit easier. We've got to remove the caliper first, and then we've got to remove the track rod end from the hub as well, and also the bottom ball joint. Just got the bottom ball joint to remove now. I'd help if I had the right size spanner.
Oh, I know.
Oh, it will be in a second. Oh, God, that's heavy. I've just got the leg in the vise, got it clamped up. I'm now going to undo this nut here and then try and knock the hub off the leg. this is the new shock ready to go on, and this is the new spring. So I'm just going to get this spring compressed and get it onto the new shock. So that's the shock and spring all together now. The whole leg's ready to go back on the car. I just did it off camera just because it's a bit difficult, a bit fiddly, and I just wanted to just get it done safely. It's now ready to go back on, so I will get it back into the hub and get it fitted back onto the car.
Alright.
I've now got all the caliper back on. I've got the brake disc back on. I just span it up in the lathe to see if it was wobbly at all, and it seems perfectly straight, so I'm going to have to keep looking to find out what the problem is. I've just been having a look at this track rod end and it's pretty knackered. I think what I'm going to do is order another one. Unfortunately today it's Saturday, so I'm not going to be getting one until next week. So until then, it's just going to sit here. I'll chuck the wheel back on, and until I get a track rod end, then I'll fit that, and then just got the other side to do. So I think I'll order 2 new track rod ends and do the other side at the same time. So yeah, I'm about done for today. I've now got the new track rod end fitted. In a little while I will do the tracking once I've got the other side shock on as well, but I'll just put that up to that for now. That shouldn't be too far out anyway, but it's always good just to check the tracking and just adjust it if it needs it. Now that we've got all the wheel back on and this side's all finished, we can make a start on the passenger side now, so I'll get that done. I won't be filming it because obviously I'm doing exactly the same as what I've just done, but yeah, now just to get the other side done. That feels loads better now.
I do actually.
It's made loads of difference just changing them legs over.
Not got so much body roll anymore.
No. Still obviously got the shaking in the steering wheel. I still need to look into that and figure out what that is. that's some of the little jobs done on the Sierra now. Very happy that I've got them done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.